Welcome to India, a land of vibrant cultures, breathtaking landscapes, and warm hospitality. Are you ready to explore this incredible country without breaking the bank? Here are the top 10 budget friendly destinations in India. Number 10, Goa, famous for its stunning beaches, vibrant nightlife, and delicious seafood. Experience the laid back Goan lifestyle without overspending. Accommodation starts from 500, food from 200. Number 9, Hampi, explore ancient ruins, temples, and scenic landscapes in this UNESCO World Heritage Site. Stay in budget friendly guest houses from 300. Enjoy local cuisine from 100. Number 8, Pondicherry. Discover French colonial architecture, tranquil beaches, and spiritual centers. Find affordable accommodation from 800. French inspired cushion from 200. Number 7, Dharamsala, surrounded by scenic valleys and Tibetan culture. This hill station offers trekking, yoga, and relaxation. Stay in budget friendly hotels from 500. Enjoy local food from 150. Number 6, Allapi. Cruise through Kerala's breathtaking backwaters. Stay in budget friendly houseboats from 800 and indulge in local seafood from 200. Number 5, Varanasi. Experience spiritual gods, ancient temples, and vibrant street food. Find affordable accommodation from 300. Try local cuisine from rupees 100. Number 4, Rishikesh, the yoga capital of India, offers scenic Himalayan views, rafting, and trekking. Stay in budget friendly ashrams from rupees 500 and enjoy local food from rupees 150. Number 3, Kodaikanal. This scenic hill station boasts lakes, trekking trails, Guna cave, and stunning views. Find affordable accommodation from 800. Savor local cuisine from 200. Number 2, Jaipur, Pink City of India, famous for its magnificent forts and palaces. It is home to many historical sites such as Amber Fort, Jaihar Fort, City Palace, Hawa Mahal, and Nagarhar Fort. Cheap accommodation available below rupees 500 also, and food from 150. Number 1, it's your choice. If you know any other beautiful place in India to visit, comment me. India has something for every traveler, every budget. Plan your trip now and experience the magic of India. Thank you for watching. See you in the next interesting topic.